Welcome. This is a morning yoga flow to help get the energy going for the day ahead. As always, listen to the body, do what feels good for you today. Let's come to standing at the top of the mat. Begin circulating the head, just feeling out the clicks and ticks. Opposite direction. Begin circulating the wrists. Inhaling, the hands reach up overhead. Exhale, hands back down to your sides. One more time. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to your sides. Inhale, grabbing all that air, all that space overhead. Exhale, feel free to bend the knees. We'll come into our fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, taking your fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, taking a fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back. Option to drop the knees, lowering into your chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, sending the hips up for down dog. Walk it out here, bending one knee at a time. Maybe shake the head yes and no. No tension in the neck. On an inhale, lifting the left leg, bending at the knee. Exhale, stepping it between the hands. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, open for warrior two. Straighten the left leg. Inhale, reaching forward. Stopping wherever you feel the stretch. Go ahead and rest the hand on the thigh, shin, or mat. Option to take a bind here with the right hand. Inhale, release, coming to warrior two. Sink nice and low here. Next, inhale, straighten the left leg. Both hands reach up, nice and high. Exhale, warrior two. Continue moving with your breath. Next, inhale, transition to high lunge. Exhale, release to plank, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg lifts, bending at the knee, opening that hip. Exhale, step it between the hands. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Straighten the right leg. Inhale, reaching far forward, reach, reach, reach. Exhale, resting the hand to the thigh, shin, or mat. Left hand reaches up nice and high. Feel free to take a bind here if that feels good. Inhale back to warrior two, sink nice and deep. Straighten the right leg. Inhaling, hands overhead. Exhale, sink down for warrior two. Continue moving with your breath. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Walk it out here, do whatever feels good. Shake the head. When you're ready, drop the knees. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, twisting to the left hand in back, right hand on that left knee. Inhale overhead, back to center. Exhale, right hand in back, left hand on the right knee, taking your twist. Inhale, hands back overhead. Exhale, draw the hands to heart center. Interlacing your fingers, flip your palms, sending the hands back up overhead. Exhale, drawing the palms to the right. Nice little side stretch. Inhale to center. Exhale, palms to the left. Back to center. Release the hands, coming into your child's pose. Taking this time to soften the shoulders and upper back with your exhales. No tension in the hands or feet. Slowly rounding all the way up. Inhale, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.